Hey everyone, here's another custom build, 1/18 scale Ford Crown Vic. This one is the San Diego Police, 1/18 scale by Motomax, black and white. Number 446 with the matching numbers on the back. San Diego Police. Accurate markings on the front. I'll try to focus. San Diego Police, and the same markings, just like a real car. He's got them in the correct place. Features opening 4 doors, trunk, and hood. Under the hood you get a detailed engine, V8 engine. I've installed the front push bar on it. In the trunk is where you find the battery for the lights and siren. It's really easy to take out. It's just laid in there, so it's easy to take out. Okay, let me turn the lights on so you can see the car in action. It does come with its box. It'll be packed for safe delivery. I've also added 5 whip antennas on the roof and a pancake satellite on the trunk. So it's loaded with antennas. Okay, let me turn the lights on. Where's the switch? Oh, here's the switch. Oh, sorry, the switch is on the bottom right here. It's the switch for the lights and a switch for the siren. So here it is. You got red, blue lights on the roof. Red, white, and blue. Red, blue in the grill, and white strobes on the front. You got red, blue on the rear deck lights, and rear red flashing tail lights. It's quite unique. I don't remember last time I did one in San Diego. It's been a few years. Okay, here's the siren. 4-tone siren. He changes the tone every time you press it. The siren will wail until you pretty much shut it off, and that's the 5th push of the button. It'll shut off the siren. Or simply turning off the lights will also shut off the siren. So again, everything runs on a 9-volt battery. Easy to replace. One last look with it. Beautiful, accurate markings in a correct place. Again, San Diego on the doors. It comes with its box. It'll be packed for a nice, safe delivery. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Oh, it'll be up on eBay. Okay. Very nice. I love it. Great car. Like I said, I don't build them too often, especially this department, so take advantage of it. I guess I'm getting back into the Crown Vics slowly, but they do take a long time to build, so I don't build as many. Okay, thanks for watching.